The tax deadline, it's coming up fast, and while taxpayers are rushing to prepare your filings, scammers are hard at work too, targeting last-minute filers. So today, to talk more about these tax scams going on and how to avoid them, is Monde Donaldson, that is, from the Better Business Bureau. Thank you so much for stopping by. You know, we talk about these scams all the time, and they always seem to perk up just at the time when you really, you never have time for it, but especially now when the deadline is so close. So talk first about how these scams are working.
These people are impersonating IRS tax officials. That's it. They're trying to do it by telephone, they're trying to do it by text, they're trying to do it by email, they're trying to do it any way they can because they know that you are panicking, and they try to pretend they are IRS. They even call you and the numbers get spoofed.
Yeah. So, you know, I'm glad you mentioned that because they call you and you're not quite sure. How can you tell if it's a fake?
The big thing you can do is the IRS never calls anybody. No one from the government ever calls anyone. So there again, they will never call, they will never text, they will never contact you in that way.
Okay, and so what happens then if you do get a call like that and you're just not sure? What are you supposed to do?
You call the IRS yourself. You can go to the irs.gov website and look for them. You can call the Better Business Bureau and say, are you seeing scams reported like this? So that's the main thing, and you need to guard your personal information, and that's what's really important because they're trying to make you a victim of identity theft.
Right, and we've got some very important information here on the screen, and one of the tactics I know that they use is they try to make you to decide and to commit to something really, really fast. And you say that's also a red flag.
That's a very big red flag. They want you to act immediately, and they try to get you to pay your taxes through untraditional ways. And they also threaten to arrest you.
So as people are going through their tax filing, and I know that there are some last-minute filers out there, so you know you're in the extension zone if that's you. What else do you want to let them know so that they are protecting their identity?
One thing they can do is to make sure if they're using a tax preparer, to make sure that they are a licensed tax preparer, and you can check with the BBB on that. You can use strong passwords when protecting your information. You can also get that Internal Revenue Service IP PIN where only you are the only one who knows how to get in there.
Awesome. This is some very good information, and we appreciate you stopping by and talking about all of this. Some great advice, and always a good rule of thumb is to double check.
That's right. If it looks too good to be true, if there's any high pressure tactics, if you have any doubt whatsoever, please stop, call the IRS, call the Better Business Bureau, and we'll help you right away.
And it's also important, last point here, to report this so that it's being tracked.
That is absolutely correct. If you don't make people aware that this is going on, it's going to continue. And we've got 2 more weeks before April 15th. So this is the prime time for those scammers.
All right. Well, thank you, Monde, for stopping by.